Like I said, we can't stop, won't stop, you know. Everybody keep doing what they do. We gonna do what we do. Chill though, you know. It's a bright day outside. It's lovely. That's what it is. Summer's definitely coming. That's the weather over here. That's all our weather. You heard? Not that cold madness. That's not our weather. Sure improve that. I'm saying can't even grow no food or nothing in that weather. That weather is death, man. But you know, we here for a minute until everything get back in the proper order. Then we be back where it's bright and lovely all day, every day. It's coming. You heard? But chill, while we here, we just gotta make the best of it. You heard? Always turn a negative to a positive. Don't sit around stressing over something you can't change. Turn a negative to a positive. That's all. But yeah, we here, God TV, part 11. It's a beautiful, bright day out. Giving you a little view of the Long Wharf Sound. There's a lot of water out there. You see? Yeah, it's a lot of water. People definitely better learn how to swim. If that water come over here, it's ugly. But yeah, what I'm gonna build on today. Today I'm gonna build on truth. That's what it is, man. Truth. Truth is what set us free. Knowledge is power, and truth set us free. So that's what we gotta teach the seeds. We gotta teach them truth. You can't be beating them in the head with all that illusion stuff. All that Santa Claus, Easter Bunny, Tooth Fairy madness. Nah, we gotta set them free. When we start teaching them that, then we setting them up for failure. You know what I'm saying? Stagnation. Now they're dealing with illusion. So you know what I'm saying? We gotta share truth at all times. That's what it is. That's what set our people free, truth. When we start beating them in the head with all that other madness, that's how they start living. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like a character. You know what I'm saying? They young gods. They young queens. So we gotta teach them truth at all times. So, you know what I'm saying? When they start acting crazy, we wonder why. Why they acting like this? Because, you know what I'm saying? You taught them all that madness when they was younger. So now they believe in that. They start becoming that. Illusion. You know what I'm saying? That's not them. That's not their true self. If you give them truth from the start, then they be their true self. So we here, though. The gods is here. Just giving you a little view of the sound. And you know what I'm saying? Give you a little something to think on. Our peoples need truth. Truth will set our peoples free. Knowledge is power. So don't get caught up in teaching the little seeds or that Christmas, Santa Claus madness, Easter Bunny madness, Tooth Fairy madness. Come on, man. Valentine stuff, man. Yo, we gods. So we deserve truth. What other madness say that, man? You heard? See, looking up in the sky right there, man. Ain't nothing up there. You heard? Ain't no Jesus, ain't no God, ain't nothing up there. You God, black man. You gotta be that. You heard? And you know what I'm saying? If we don't teach them that, how they gonna become it? So I'm saying, we gotta start sharing truth with them from the start. So that's what it is. God TV, part 11. We here. Everybody just pay attention, take heed, and just ain't study it and live it. You heard? It's the only thing that's gonna set us free. Truth and knowledge. Anything else is illusion. You heard? Everything else is illusion. So, you know, we here doing our duty. Y'all just do y'all duty. God TV. Giving y'all a little view of the sound. It's a lot of cars back and forth, too. You heard? But, yo, we here. God TV. Part 11. Pay attention. You heard? And the ones who don't got the other ones, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, definitely get those. Because you missing out. There's knowledge in each one of them. You know what I'm saying? That's what it is, though. God TV. We here. Peace.